And as per your request, here is the mini egg tart recipe. If you are interested in this recipe, continue watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. First thing to prepare is the crust. We need 2.5 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar, and we need 1.5 cup of shortening. And then put 7 tablespoons of water. First, put 5 tablespoons of water and then mix it. Put all the remaining water and let's mix it together using our hands until well incorporated. If you are new here, don't forget to click that subscribe button and comment down below if you have any suggested recipe. After mixing everything, let's shape it into a ball. And let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes. And then, let's cover it with a cling wrap. And now, while the dough is resting, we're going to grease each tart mold with shortening. And for the filling, separate 2 egg whites and put the remaining egg yolks along with the 2 eggs. Add 1 teaspoon sugar in the egg whites and set aside. Add 1 cup of water and let's give it a whisk. And now we're going to mix 1 can of evaporated milk. And then we're gonna put 1 cup of granulated sugar. And now we're gonna put 1 cup of skimmed milk. And now we're going to take the egg whites that we set aside a while ago and we're going to beat it until it's foamy. And now let's mix the egg white and then stir it gradually. And now, we're gonna divide the dough into 12 parts. And now we're going to flat each dough using the rolling pin and put it in the tart mold. Remove the excess dough and set it aside. And now, while you are putting the filling mixture, be sure to preheat your oven at 160 degrees Celsius and we will bake it 35 to 50 minutes. And now it's done. Let's enjoy this yummy treats, mini egg tart. Thank you for watching and don't forget to hit that subscribe and bell button so that you will be updated with our recipe. Please comment down below if you have any request.